You can now remove the background from a video up to 10 minutes in length. So it's time for us to revisit the video background remover feature. Without further ado, let's hop in. An incredible new Canva Pro feature is the ability for you to remove the background of any video in just one click. If you are not currently a Canva Pro user and you would like access to a free 30-day trial, just go to lashondabrown.com/Canva. With the Video Background Remover tool, you can remove the background without the use of a green screen. The results are really high quality and the videos can be exported up to 4K. So what I'm going to do is show you an example of how you can use the Video Background Remover tool within an Instagram story template. So to get started, we're going to type in Instagram story and then select a blank Instagram story template. So the first example I want to show you with this tool is removing the background from a Canva stock video. So to find one, we're going to click on videos in the bottom left, and then we're going to type in the search bar coffee. Okay? So what I'm going to do in this case is to search through the stock videos that appeared when I searched for coffee and try to find an example of a video clip where the coffee cup is fairly isolated. Because what I want to do is actually remove the background from it and apply my own branding to maybe advertise a coffee chat with my community. So for this example, I'm going to select this coffee clip here and drag it into my design. So first and foremost, this is too long. So I'm going to click on trim first, and I'm going to cut the clip to be 15 seconds long. The reason why I'm choosing 15 seconds is when someone shares an Instagram story, it will play the first 15 seconds of the clip within their account. So I don't want any of the valuable information being cut off. So I'm going to take off a little from the beginning. And let's see, maybe right before the coffee comes out. And then I'll take it from the end to the 15-second mark. All right, then we're going to click done. The next thing we're going to do is click on background remover to remove the white background. So with the video selected in one click, it's going to remove that background. And now I can drag it where I want it to appear. So in this case, I'm going to let it go a little off to the side. And hopefully, yes, that coffee is going to drip right down. Okay, awesome. So now that I see where that clip is showing up, I can go to the photos within Canva, and now I can replace the background. So this trending image looks super fun. And so what I'll do is drop that in, and because the background has been removed, if I position this photo to the back, the coffee is going to be layered on top. Now, if I wanted to, I could even rotate the coffee. So maybe the coffee gets poured from the side since everything else is turned to the side. And then if I wanted to add some text, I could select something from the font combinations, or I could bring in just a simple text box. So for this example, we're just going to bring in this font here, drag it, and this could potentially advertise an event. So if you want to see what the finished design looks like, all you need to do is hit play, and it's going to give you a nice little preview. So this example shows you have the ability to find a photo within the Canva library and replace that background once you remove it from a video to give you more design options. Now, the same thing applies if you are bringing in a video clip of your own. So say, for instance, we're going to do another design here. I think I should have, if we go to videos, I should have something uploaded. Oh yeah, this is funny. So I think a while back, I made like a custom GIF for some emails. So in my office, I just decided I was going to do a little jig here, and then I saved it as a GIF. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to trim out me straightening up my shirt, and we'll start it there. Okay, perfect. And we'll trim the end as well. And so as much as I love my office, I'm not a huge fan of having this background if, say, for instance, I'm trying to advertise my Canva cleanup party. So what I'm going to do here is actually edit the video once I change the length, I think I want to brighten it up, add some contrast so that when I am cut out of the background, it stands out a bit more, because I'm not so concerned about the background being blown out because I want to be featured more in the clip. So once you do that, now we'll remove the background. And I'm even going to flip it so that the Canva logo actually shows up the right size. So I'm going to drag myself down here, and then maybe I'll go to design and we'll say webinar. Okay, here is a free webinar. We're just going to use that as an example. And so I'm going to eliminate a lot of this text here. We'll keep the date. Don't need this or that. Let's say, for instance, I bring in, we'll copy this, paste it here. And now you can see me in my little Canva shirt. And so this could be a fun way for you to create an advertisement with some things that are layered on there. Now, just like you can add that video background remover tool on that video, you could also combine it with an animation. Wow, isn't that fun? What's really cool about this feature is you can take a clip that you've recorded on your cell phone that is not high quality, and you can give it way more use simply by removing the background and overlaying it on top of another design. So just like you would remove the background from a photo, now you can do this with a video up to 10 minutes long. So I would encourage you, play around with this feature. Export your videos as Instagram stories or graphics that you could use on LinkedIn. Another use of this could even be doing one of those talking head reels where you're in the bottom right-hand corner and you've got a screen recording behind you. So many possibilities, but if nothing else, I just want you to know this option is available if you are a Canva Pro user so that you can play around with it and start to create some more compelling designs.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you don't already have Canva Pro and you would like to get access to a free 30-day trial while supporting the channel, go to lashondabrown.com/Canva. Until next time, ta-ta for now.